And welcome back. I don't know whether in your part of the world road accidents with no apparent motive have increased with motor vehicles. The most absurd situations. Seeing that most of these vehicles are involved in accidents of the latest generation of vehicles, spanking brand new vehicles. And there's a lot of electronics on board these vehicles. When you buy a brand new car or a second-hand car from a dealership or whatever, can you really, be assured the electronics on board of these vehicles do not play up? It's known in the trade, manufacturers, more electronics you have on board your car, practically the computer modules, the more they will tend to fail. And more expensive will be repaired. Repaired. Problems with the airbag, all types of things which are controlled by electronics, electronic handbrake, all that rubbish, engine problems, pumps, brakes, which are controlled by electronics, loads of electronics. Could it be in the near future there will be an increase of these type of accidents with involving to mechanical failure, no more human error? Do these vehicles, after a certain period of years, go for a technical check like an MOT, which like EVs do, and they fail unbelievably? And these garages which repair these so-called cars which are being flooded out, and obviously the water has probably damaged something, humidity, even if they've been taken apart and repaired, past a little bit of WD-40 on the electronics here, it's okay. Is it okay? And the vehicles we buy now, without being involved in accidents, they just play up with no apparent reason. This fails, that system fails. Is it best we return to the basics, less electronics underneath the hood, and more of the person in control of the motor vehicle? Because sincerely, trusting a pilot circuits, our road safety, instead of using this, our mind, which is a lot more efficient than electronic systems. Computers are fantastic things, but when it's too much, it can be dangerous for our safety. And obviously when it starts playing up, it costs a lot of money to repair. All these so-called units are codified. You have to pay a subscription fee to have access to have it diagnosed by your mechanic. Which a vehicle which you bought yourself. You bought the car, it's yours. It's absolutely ridiculous. This is how the motor industry is today. And it will even get more worse. I'll buy a vehicle, whether it's second hand or new, I have to pay a subscription charge to have access to the management box of the car. That's absolutely ridiculous. Another question is the quality of these vehicles today. We hear a lot about the engines, computers, faulty, poor workmanship and all that rubbish. Or is it the fact they want you to buy a car every 5 years and you haven't paying the last purchase yet on hire purchase finance. The truth is, even those of the motor industry knows the set of four wheels has become considered as an electrical appliance. It has a program duty cycle, and it starts playing up. You repair it, which is costly, you find the parts, or you just buy a new one. And it's a bit like buying a new washing machine or electrical appliance. It's not worth the effort of repairing, you throw it away. This is how the car industry today are. It should be more durable. Like it reached the peak in the 90s and the early 2000s. It's only in the last probably 10 years cars that have become like more complicated than iPads or your mobile phone. After 2 years it plays up when the battery goes. You can't replace the battery like in the good old days, and that will last you a lot more longer. No, I don't want you to make it last more longer. I want you to buy more products, consume.